What if a forgotten secret was hidden inside an old diary? Stay until the end to discover the shocking truth. Emma had just moved into her grandmother's old house. The house was quiet. Too quiet. Dust covered every room. Old pictures hung on the walls. One evening, while cleaning the attic, Emma found a small wooden box. It was locked. Next to it lay an old diary. The first page read, "Do not open the box until you know the truth." Emma felt a chill. She turned the pages. The diary belonged to her grandmother. Each page described strange events. Someone had been visiting the house every full moon. No one knew who it was. The last diary entry was written 20 years ago. It said, "The secret must stay hidden. If anyone opens the box too early, everything will change." Emma looked at the locked box again. She searched the attic for a key. Hours passed. Finally, she found a tiny silver key hidden inside an old clock. Her hands trembled. She unlocked the box. Inside was a faded photograph. It showed her grandmother standing beside a young man. On the back was written, "My brother David. Everyone believes he disappeared." Emma was confused. She had never heard about David. Suddenly, she heard footsteps downstairs. Slow. Heavy. Someone was inside the house. Emma grabbed the photograph and quietly walked toward the stairs. The front door was still locked. The windows were closed. The footsteps stopped. Silence filled the house. Then, a whisper came from the hallway. "You finally found the truth." Emma froze. She looked around. No one was there. The whisper came again. This time it sounded closer. She ran outside and called the police. When the officers searched the house, they found nothing. But one officer looked carefully at the photograph. His face turned pale. He whispered, "I know this man." Emma stared at him. The officer slowly replied, "David never disappeared. He changed his name. He became one of us." Emma couldn't believe it. The officer quietly folded the photograph and said, "Some secrets are forgotten for a reason." As they walked away, Emma noticed something strange. The wooden box was back in the attic. Locked again. And this time, she had the key in her pocket. The end. Backhand index pointing right. Did you enjoy this mystery? Subscribe for more English stories with surprising endings.